Welcome, your phone is an ASUS Zenfone 6, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, open up the standalone contacts app right here, and from the app I'm going to tap on the three dots right here and go into manage contacts, and you have the option to import export, so choose that. And we want to import contacts from SIM card, so first option. And once you tap on it, it gives you a list of contacts that are on the SIM card. Now as you can see, there is only 5 of them, so you can either select all of them by tapping right here, or you can select each one individually by just selecting it like so. And once you selected all the contacts that you want to, tap on the check mark right here, and you will have import successful. And now if we go back, we should have multiple contacts that repeat because they are still on the SIM card and now also on the device. And as you can see, that is how you would do it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.